Hi, good day to all of us. My name is Sansendrick Arlaxi, an information technology student majoring in network administrator in LSPU Siniloan campus. In this video, I will talk about on how and where do I see myself as an IT professional. First and foremost, as a network administrator student, I see myself practicing and working on connectivity and security of an infrastructure. Also, by doing hands-on activities and attending lectures in cybersecurity, cabling, troubleshooting, helps me envision myself securing connectivity problems, managing and defending against threats of cyber attack. The prospect of continuous learning and adapting to a new technology excites me, and I'm eager to contribute to the seamless operation and security of any organization I join. My goal is to become a trusted network professional who can navigate the challenges of the digital age with expertise and confidence.